Hello everyone, welcome once again. In the last video, we talked about the big problem of excessive consumerism. Today, we will take a closer look at this topic. We've already talked about the problem as such, but today we will show you some solutions that we can all apply in our daily lives to make a difference. Right here, I'll leave you the link to part 1 in case you missed it. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our social networks. Let's get going. Humankind has always had the ability to look for solutions to our problems. Today, we have brought you some ideas that you can apply to do something about excessive consumerism. The key is to start with small, regular actions you do yourself. When these become habits, they can spread to other people around you and so make a big difference in your community, your province or state, and eventually your country. Tip number 1. For the consumption of basic products, you can avoid buying single-use products. Create shopping lists to avoid buying too much. Keep your clothing for 1 or 2 years. An interesting fact is that by doing this, you would be reducing 24% of your CO2 emissions. Separate the waste you generate into those that can be recycled, such as plastic, glass, cans, and others. Try to buy products of local origin, and if they are organic, all the better. Tip number 2. For the consumption of household or personal appliances. Try to use up the life of your electronic devices before buying new ones. Unplug electronic devices that you are not using, and if possible, keep them turned off. Avoid replacing your electronic devices too often. And use a printer with refillable ink, not a cartridge printer. Tip number 3. For the consumption of basic services. Turn off the lights when you're not using them. Take short showers instead of baths. Make use of energy-saving light bulbs. LEDs are the best. Make use of a bicycle as a means of transportation. This will also be good for your health and build up your leg muscles. And finally, tip number 4. Generally speaking, invite your community, your friends, family, neighbors, etc. to be part of these actions. And with that, we conclude with consumerism. I hope you liked the video and that you apply these small changes in your daily life. Be part of the change. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.